Okay, good morning, one and all. Yes, we are discussing actually statistics chapter, right? So we have finished the statistics chapter. So in that, just we have to discuss the exercise problems related to statistics. So in the first exercise, we already finished related to mean. Okay, mean exercise discussion is over on that day only. So today we have to discuss the median exercise, mode exercise, and ogive exercise so that we can finish the statistics chapter, okay, today. Shall we start the discussion of the exercise problem? So I have sent the answers in your WhatsApp group now. I think you have got the idea of that problems now. Just let us discuss the problems. So you just verify your answer. Let us share the pages for that. Same pages. Okay. See here, exercise 13.2. Fatafat, in 15 minutes we'll finish the exercise discussion. Okay. See, first question. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Okay, this is the data. Find the mode and mean. Find the mode and mean. They have asked a two question here, mode and mean. So for mode, first you have to choose the modal class. So which is the modal class? Here you will get the revision class also for the statistics. Okay. So mode in the sense modal class. So highest frequency here is 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 6. Here highest frequency is 23. So modal class is 35 to 45. Got the idea now? Modal class is 35 to 45. Then F1 is actually the frequency. F1 is actually the frequency of the modal class. F0 is the preceding modal class preceding the modal class. F2 is the succeeding modal class. Next, this is F1 actually. This is F0. Then this is F2. Okay. Then L, lower limit of the modal class, 30, 35. Class size is 15 minus 5, 10. Okay. H is 10. Now substitute. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Just substitute the value. Here you will get 35 plus 20 divided by 11. Okay. So then what is the answer for that question? 35 plus 1.81, that is 36.81 years. Got the idea of this question? No? Simple question mode. For the same data, you have to find the mean also. See here, you have to arrange the data like this. Age, number of patients. Then for finding mean, you have to find out the class mark. Here we have applied the direct method only, Fi into Xi. So to get Xi column, what we have to do? Class mark, we have to find upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So then Fi Xi column, when we add that Fi Xi column, we got the answer as 2830. Then X bar, which is equal to sigma Fi Xi divided by sigma Fi, 2830 divided by 80, which is equal to 35.37 years. Got the idea of this one now? So why we are discussing this exercise problem? Because everybody have got the same answers now. So just for the revision sake for the statistics chapter. So today we'll discuss this exercise. Okay. So now let us move on to the second question. Second question is this one. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes of 225 electrical components. So lifetimes 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100 and 100 to 120. So here frequency is 10, 35, 52, 61. Here this is 38 and 29. Determine the modal lifetime of the components. Modal lifetime in the sense what we have to find here. Mode we have to find. So next first we have to mark the modal class. Let us see. Okay, last page only. Here the highest frequency is which one? Highest frequency is 61. No, 61 is highest frequency in the sense modal class is 60 to 80. See here modal class is 60 to 80. So here modal class 61 she has written actually highest frequency, but modal class is 60 to 70. Here we have to write. So L 60 lower limit. Then H is 20. F1 you want to see that F1 F0. If this is a modal class, then F1 is 61. F0 is 52. Then here F2 is this one. Okay, what is this value actually? F2, 38. Okay, that value is 38. Is that clear? Then substitute mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So on substituting this one, the substitution and all you all know, no? Yes, here the answer is 65.625. Just verify this answer with your answer 65.625. Got the idea of this problem, the second problem? Yes. Now we'll discuss the third problem. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the modal monthly expenditure of the families. Also, find the mean monthly expenditure. Here, we have to find out mode and mean, both. Okay. So now, expenditure they have given in the form of 1000 to 1500 like that. Then here, number of families, that is frequency column. First, we'll concentrate on mode. Mode we have to find. We have to find out the modal class here, which is the highest frequency. Highest frequency is 40, no? So 40 in the sense 1500 to 2000. This is the modal class actually. Now if this is the modal class, this is what? 40 is F0. Then this is this one is F1 actually. 40 is F1. This is F0. Then F2 is 33. Look at this one. F0 is 24. Are you observing this one? Preceding. F2 is 33. F1 is 40. Same now. F0 is 24. F1 is 40. Then F2 is 33. F2 is 33. So L, lower limit of the modal class, that is 1500. Next H is 500. Okay. So now just substitute the value in the formula. Mode which is equal to L plus same F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Substitute this value. Substitution and all will not detailed. I think you don't want the detailed explanation for the substitution and all. So here the answer is mode of this data is 1847.8. Same to same mode you have got now. Yes, next for the same data you have to find out the mean also. Okay, so for the mean, expenditure, number of families, then class mark you have to find, then FI, XI column. So for this you can use another method, assumed mean method also and step deviation method also. That is your wish. Okay. So class mark, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Then frequency into observation, FI, XI column. So when we add this FI, XI column, we'll get this result. So then you have to substitute this result in the formula. That is sigma FI, XI divided by sigma FI. So final answer is 2062.5. Just verify your answer. Next, fourth question. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. Here also they have asked to find the mode and mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. Okay. First mode we have to find. See here, this is the number of students teacher ratio, the number of states. Okay. See here, 3, 8, 9, 10, 3, 0, 0, 2. Which is the highest frequency here? 10 is the highest frequency. Then class interval is 30 to 35. 30 to 35 is the class interval, modal class. So modal class is 30 to 35. Then modal class in the sense this is F1 actually. F1 is 10. F0 is 9. F2 is 3. Okay. Now H is 5. L is 30. Now we have to substitute this data in the formula. That is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. So you have to learn the formula properly. Then substitution calculation is 30.625. Okay, now for the same data, find mean also. Number of students, number of states, class mark, FI, XI. This is direct method. So because in the beginning, while solving this mode exercise, actually we did not discuss that assumed mean method and step deviation method. No, that's why she solved all the problems by direct method only. So now your wish. Okay, so in the examination and all, you can follow any method, not only direct method. You can follow with the assumed mean method and step deviation method also. Okay, in all the methods you will get the same mean only. See here, number of students, number of states, class mark. Then here the column is FI XI column. So just formula FI XI divided by FI. Substitute and simplify. Answer is 29.2. Got the idea of the fourth problem now? All the questions are easy only. So next to fifth one. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. Find mode of the data. Here only mode they have asked. This is the runs scored by the international cricket matches. Okay, so players 3000 to 4000, 4000 to 5000, like that, up to 11,000. So next, number of batsmen is given. For mode, we have to select the highest frequency. Here we are observing that 18 is the highest number. So 4000 to 5000 is the modal class. Here we got the idea of that. 4000 to 5000 is the modal class. Okay. So now let us list out the data here only. 4000 to 5000 is the modal class, in the sense this is F1. This is F1. This is F0. F0 is 4. F2 is 9. Okay. So F2 is 9. H is 1000. H is 1000. Then L is 4000. L is 4000. Now substitute the data in the formula. Got the idea of this one now? Modal class. So this L, H, F1, F0, F2. Now substitute and simplify. This substitution and simplify, it is very easy. So 4608.7. Okay. Is that clear? The same answer you have got now? I don't actually. Yes. Now next sixth question. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized it in the table. Find mode. Find mode. We have to find the mode here. 7:14. Student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods. Okay. So each of 3 minutes, and summarized 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, like that. Number of cars given. Frequency 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15, 18. Here you are observing this 20 is the highest number. So modal class is 40 to 50. 40 to 50 is the modal class. Then 20 is F0. Sorry, F1. F1 is 20. Then F0 is 12. Then F2 is 11. H is 10 and L is 40. Just substitute the value here. So what answer you will get actually? One second. This answer. 40 plus 80 by 17, then 44.705. This answer you will get. Next one. Oh, some pages are missing, Akshay. ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡು. Which is the next question? One second, students. Start with the 13. Yes, students. Yes, 13.2 exercise discussion is over because only 6 problems are there in the 13.2. So now we have to discuss the 13.3 exercise. Okay. So here we have 13.3 exercise. It is related to median topic. Okay. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. See here, for the single data, you have to find out all the 3 measures of Mataji, explain 6th one once. Okay. 6th problem, once again we have to explain. Okay, Anjali. So 1 second students. So that mode exercise, second exercise, sixth problem. Some students they need the explanation for the sixth problem. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, okay, each of 3 minutes, and summarized it in the table. Find the mode. Actually, ಸೊ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಗಳು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 3 minutes ಗೆ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ 0 to 10, okay, so 7, 10 to 20, 14, so 20 to 30, 13, 30 to 40, 12, 40 to 50, 20, 50 to 60, 11, 60 to 70, 50, 70 to 80, 80. This table is given in the problem actually. So we have to find the mode of this data. Here the highest frequency is 20. Highest frequency 20 in the sense which is the modal class actually. 40 to 50 is the modal class. Then if this 40 to 50 is the modal class, 20 is F1 actually. F1 is 20. F0 is 12. Then F2 is 11. Just okay. F2 is 11. L is 40. H is 10. Then mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Then L is 40 plus F1 is 20 minus 12 divided by 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 into H. Then 40 plus 20 minus 12 is 8. Then 2 into 20, 40. Minus 12 minus 11 is minus 23 into H. 40 plus 8 by 17 into 20. So then after this you will get this step. 40 plus 80 by 17, then 40 plus 4.705, then 44.705. Is that clear? This is about the sixth problem of the mode exercise. So now we have to discuss this 13.3. Okay, so we have to discuss this 13.3. So 13.3 exercise is related to median topic. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. So we have to find out the 3 measures of central tendency. So your monthly consumption is given in the form of class interval. Next, number of consumers. 65 to 85, 4, 85 to 105, 5, 105 to 125, 13, 125 to 145, 20, 145 to 165, 14, 165 to 185, 8, 185 to 205, 4. Okay, so this is the data. Next, so first let us find out the median because this exercise related to median concept now. So median, let us recall the median concept once. See here, for the median, what we need actually, cumulative frequency we need. Okay, so monthly consumption frequency is given in the problem only. For that, we have to find out the cumulative frequency, addition of the frequency. So in the cumulative frequency, we can observe 2 types of frequency, right? Less than cumulative frequency and more than cumulative frequency. Here you can observe the less than type. 4. See, first one is 4 only. Then cumulative frequency 5 plus 4 is 9. Then 9 plus 13 is 22. 22 plus 20 is 42. 42 plus 14 is 56. 56 plus 8 is 64. 60 plus 4 is 68. Total n frequency column, when we add the frequency column, you will get 68 only. So here sum of the frequency is 68. Here the last cumulative frequency is also 68. Which is the first step for the median class? For to get median class, what trick you have to apply actually? So n by 2 you have to find. So n by 2, 68 by 2 is 34. Now we have to search that 34 in this cumulative frequency. 4, 9, 22. Up to 22 is here. Then here 34 we need. Up to 42 is here in the sense which is the median class actually, this one. Up to 42. After 22 up to 42 in the sense here it covers. In this 125 to 145. Okay. So median class is this one. You can mark this one. 1 second. You can mark this one. Okay. Now this is the actually median class box. This one we need for the calculation. This is the median class. So now, so median class we have to do 125 to 145. CF is what? CF is actually the median cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. Preceding in the sense this one, no? This is actually CF. Got the idea of this one? This is CF. Then 20 is frequency actually. This is F actually. Median class frequency only. Okay, F. Is that clear? This is CF, preceding median class, preceding cumulative frequency of the class, preceding the median class, that is CF actually. CF is 22 here, F is 20 here, L is 125, lower limit of the median class is 125. Okay, so got the idea of this one? CF. CF is 22, F is 20, L is 125, H is class size, that is 20. Now median formula, just recall the median formula. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Then that is L is 125 plus N by 2 is 34 minus CF is 22 divided by 20 into 20. Then 125 plus here 20 cancel, 34 minus 22 is 12. Then when we add this one 125 plus 12, you will get 137 units. 137 units. Then that is the median. Now mean concept. Okay, so class interval is given, Fi is given, Xi you have to find to get the mean. Xi in the sense class mark. Then here they have used actually assumed mean method, DI. DI in the sense what we have to do. So we have to fix one assumed mean. Here they are fixing that 135 as assumed mean. Then what we have to do? Each observation we have to subtract from 135. We have to subtract 135 from each observation. Okay. Xi minus 135. Di which is equal to Xi. See, just listen carefully. This is the revision of the assumed mean concept. Okay. See, class interval is given in the question only. Frequency is given in the question only. Xi we have to find. For all the method, direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. For all the method, Xi column is compulsory. Xi is nothing but class mark of the class interval. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Then here we are observing the deviation, assumed mean method. Assumed mean method in the sense in the Xi column, we have to fix one value as assumed mean. Here we are fixing that this 135 as assumed mean. Okay. So then what we have to do? From each observation, we have to subtract 135. That column is Di column. Di is equal to Xi minus A. Assumed mean we are representing by the letter small a. Okay. So then Xi minus a here. 75 minus 135, that is minus 60. 95 minus 135 minus 40. 115 minus 135 minus 20. Here 135 minus 135 is 0. 155 minus 135 20. 175 minus 135 40. Then 195 minus 135 is 60. See here, minus 60 minus 40 minus 20. 20, 40, 60. So why we have to choose the middle value only? So it is very easy to take the count. Okay. Now last one, Fi into Di. Now we have to multiply this Fi column into Di column. Then you will get 60 into 4. Okay, minus 240. 5 into minus 40 minus 200. 13 into minus 20 minus 260. 20 into 0 0. 14 into 20 is 280. 8 into 40 is 320. 4 into 60 is 240. FIDI, summation of FIDI. You have to be very careful, because here minus sign is there. Minus 240 minus 200 first you have to do. What you will get if both the sign are minus, in the sense we have to add, no? So then 440 minus 440 you will get. Minus 440, then minus 260. Minus 440 minus 260. Again you have to add with the negative sign only. So you have to give the answer with the negative sign only. Then you have to operate the relationships with the 0, 280, 320, 240. So you will get the answer as plus 140. Is that clear? Plus 140. So now, which formula? For the assumed mean method, formula is x bar is equal to a plus sigma FIDI divided by sigma FI. A plus sigma FIDI divided by sigma FI. Is that clear? So we have to add this assumed mean. For the small step, reducing the step, we removed 135 from each observation. So at last we have to add that observation for this relation. Okay, A plus sigma FIDI divided by sigma FI. Now 135 plus 140 by 68. So which is equal to 135 plus 2.05, that is 137.05 units. This is actually mean of the data. Then mode. So I told no, one formula is there actually. 3 median is equal to mode plus 3 mean. We have one concept actually. 3 median which is equal to mode plus 2 mean. You can use this formula also to get mode. Okay. So in the examination, if we asked actually find mean, median, mode at a time for the same data, mean and median you can find out by with the formula, and mode you can go with this relationship also. Median, 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Using that concept also you can find, or else you can find out with the model class concept only. So here they have worked out on the with the help of model class only. Which is the highest frequency here? 20 is the highest frequency. Model class is 125 to 145. Then F1 is 20, F0 is 13, F2 is 14, L is 125, H is 20. Just substitute. Okay. Substitute. Mode is equal to this one. Simplification 135.76. So now let us move back to the same question. Mean, median, mode. We have to observe the value. See here. Median 137. Median 137. Then mean is 137.05. Mean is 137.05. Then this is 135.76. What we are observing here, so just interpret the data. Mean, median, mode, almost like same to same, no? Not exactly equal. They are almost in the same range only. Mean, median, mean. Okay, so 130 range only, 130 to 140 range only. Their values are surrounding in between that 135 to 140 range only, right? No? So we are observing that mean, median and mode. Okay, so little there only, they are turning around there only. Okay, all the values are like similar. Is that clear? Yes. So using this relationship also, you can get the answer, this mode answer. That is your wish. So got the idea now how to find out mean, median, mode for the same data, so that you have got the idea of revision class. Now this is a revision of the mean, median and mode. Okay. See, I got the warning that 5 minutes is remaining. Okay. So let us do one thing. So let us end this meeting. Join with the same link for further 15 minutes, because we have to finish this exercise today only. So let us finish this exercise and let us discuss the OGU topic. Then we'll end the class. Is that clear? Better we'll discuss the assignments tomorrow only, because otherwise for today it is very heavy, no? Okay. So now join with the same link for further 15 minutes.